It was a day of wild mood swings on Wall Street. Coming off the Christmas break, stocks rose, then plummeted and soared again. The Dow was up more than 1,086 points. That's the largest one-day point gain ever. DeMarco Morgan now on the big bounce back.
Investors went on a post-Christmas shopping spree, sending all three major indexes into positive territory. The Dow snapped a four-day negative skid, and the S&P had its best day since 1973. The surge came on the news that U.S. consumers spent more than $850 billion this holiday season from November 1st through Christmas Eve. That's up 5.1%, the strongest showing in 6 years. Online sales were also up 19%. The steady pace of shopping has been in stark contrast to Wall Street's bumps this December. The Dow lost $733 billion in value so far this month. The S&P lost $2.6 trillion.
In big picture, the consumers are healthy, people have jobs, their wages are up, and they just sort of tune out all the nonsense in Washington.
Greg Johnson is president of Customer Growth Partners.
Wall Street is running around like a chicken with its head cut off, while Mr. and Mrs. Main Street are calm, cool, and collecting bargains at the mall.
Washington hasn't helped. The president's attacks on the Fed and the Treasury Secretary calling the major banks over the weekend spooked investors. Today, Kevin Hassett, chairman of the White House Council of Economic Advisors, tried to calm nerves.
You made it very clear that Secretary Mnuchin's job is safe. Is the Fed's chairman's job safe?
Yes, of course, 100%, yes.
Now, there are reports the president is planning to meet with Fed Chairman Powell in the coming days. Meanwhile, Wall Street analysts point out that the biggest gainers today were consumer-based stocks like Amazon and Walmart, leaving them to hope Main Street continues to be the market driver. JB?
DeMarco, good to see you.
You too.